Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to channel for everything motorcycles, news, reviews, and the stories that keep our engines revving. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting revivals in recent motocross history, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. Yes, you heard that right, the legendary two-stroke beast has officially returned, and it's not just a nostalgia trip. Kawasaki is bringing back the KX500 with serious upgrades that blend raw power with modern innovation. Let's break it down. A look back, the legacy of the KX500. To understand why the 2025 KX500 is such a big deal, we need to revisit the legacy it carries. The original KX500 was a monstrous two-stroke dirt bike that dominated motocross tracks and desert races through the 80s and 90s. Known for its brutal power delivery and unmatched torque, it was a favorite among riders who wanted raw, unfiltered performance. But Kawasaki discontinued it in 2004, and since then, the KX500 has been more of a legend in vintage racing than a bike you'd see on dealership floors. The comeback, why 2025? So why bring it back now? According to Kawasaki, the resurgence of interest in two-strokes, combined with advancements in emissions technology and lightweight materials, created the perfect moment to reintroduce the KX500. Riders have been craving more personality, more mechanical engagement, and Kawasaki listened. The 2025 KX500 isn't just a re-release, it's a full redesign that respects the past while embracing the future. Engine and performance, a modern two-stroke powerhouse. At the heart of the 2025 KX500 is a completely re-engineered 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, now fuel-injected for smoother power delivery and improved efficiency. This isn't the carbureted animal of the past, though it's still wild, it's now more refined. Kawasaki has incorporated electronic power valve technology and digital engine mapping, giving riders better throttle control across all RPMs. The result? Explosive low-end torque and screaming top-end speed, all while staying within modern emission standards. The KX500 still roars like a beast, but now it's easier to tame if you have the skills, that is. Chassis and suspension, built for brutality. Kawasaki knew the 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke power had to be matched with a frame that could handle it. The 2025 model features an all-new aluminum perimeter frame, inspired by the KX450F platform but reinforced for higher torque loads. The frame is stiffer where it needs to be and more forgiving in high-impact areas, giving it excellent feedback on rugged terrain. Suspension is top tier, with fully adjustable show of forks up front and a uni-track rear shock setup. Kawasaki says the suspension tuning is focused on high-speed stability and hard landings, ideal for motocross tracks and off-road racing. Riders can fine-tune settings depending on terrain and riding style, making the KX500 both versatile and competition-ready. Braking and electronics, modern control meets classic chaos. Braking on the KX500 has also seen a massive upgrade. The front gets a 270mm pedal disc with a dual piston caliper, while the rear sports a 240mm disc. Abs? No chance, it's pure mechanical braking, just the way purists like it. But there are some smart features too. Kawasaki has added a launch control mode and adjustable traction control, which might seem odd for a two-stroke, but the idea is to keep the bike usable at the start gate and out of corners without robbing it of character. No fancy touchscreen or modes galore here, just essential rider aids that enhance performance without turning it into a digital experience. It's still a raw machine, just slightly more civilized. Design and ergonomics, aggressive meets functional. The 2025 KX500 looks aggressive, just as it should. The bodywork is slim, the plastics are sharp, and the graphics scream racing heritage with a modern twist. Kawasaki kept the bike lean, with a focus on rider mobility. The seat is narrow and flat, allowing easy movement during cornering or jumps. It features a high-capacity radiator with integrated cooling ducts, essential for managing heat during long, demanding rides. The new airbox design is toolless, making maintenance easier. It's clear that Kawasaki paid attention to rider feedback and aimed to build a machine that's both intimidating and practical. Who is it for? The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 isn't for everyone, and it's not meant to be. This is a bike for experienced riders who crave adrenaline, who understand the unique thrill of two-stroke power, and who want something truly different in a sea of four-stroke machines. Whether you're a desert racer, a vet motocrosser, or just a two-stroke enthusiast with a love for old-school aggression wrapped in new-school tech, the KX500 is calling your name. This bike is not for beginners. It's tall, fast, and demands respect. But for those who can handle it, the reward is unmatched. Final thoughts: the return of a legend. With the 2025 KX500, Kawasaki has achieved something rare, bringing back a legendary name without compromising what made it great in the first place. It's still raw. It's still loud. But now, it's smarter, more capable, and ready for a new generation of riders to experience what real power feels like. At Bike Buzzing, we're thrilled to see Kawasaki take this bold step. It's more than a bike, it's a statement. A reminder that legends never truly die, they just wait for the right time to return. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. What do you think about the return of the king of two strokes? Would you ride one, or are you happy just watching from the sidelines? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the buzz. Thanks for watching Bike Buzzing, and until next time. Keep your throttle wide and your spirit wilder.